My brothers and sisters, some people have asked me, before I begin the topic, why isn't Allah giving them justice and victory? And if you think about this question deeper, brothers and sisters, you'll find that the question is just wrong. Why is the question wrong? Brothers and sisters, when you know that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created us in this life as a test in this world, then you will understand it greater. And when you understand that there is a hereafter, there is a judgment day, there is paradise, there is hellfire, and that this life is short, and that Allah will not let the oppressors go, then the picture will become clearer. And He told us very clearly in the Quran right from the beginning that this life is a test and that it is up to us to defend each other, to stand up for each other, to follow the guidance, to come together, to unite between each other, to speak out for each other, to voice for each other, to be there for one another, to build our lives and develop and build our strength together and prepare.